Hello, we've got a wiper arm from BMW 3 series, that's G20 and G21 model, produced from 2019. Today I'm going to remove the wiper blade and fit the HEYNER Hybrid Wiper Blade. This one got a cover, plastic cover with a spraying system under the wiper arm, but it's standard pinched up wiper blade. So to remove this wiper blade, you just need to squeeze end of the adapter. That allows you to twist wiper blade and you can remove it. Now we will fit HEYNER Hybrid Wiper Blade. This car takes size 24-inch on the driver's side and 19-inch on the passenger side. In this case, we will need two adapters to fit HEYNER Hybrid Wiper Blades. It's going to be pinched up adapter. You should get the little box like that with your wiper blades. Adapter look like that. It has marking PH-3. All we need to do is open the adapter, so put the head of the adapter up and then place the bottom of the adapter at the wiper arm, and now we can close the adapter. Now it's secure on the wiper arm. Now we can in the wiper blade, the center of the wiper blade got the metal bar which we attach to the adapter. I will show you that from different angle later. So we got that. We hit click. Now we can remove red plastic cover. This cover just protect rubber in the transportation. And now I show you the same procedure from different angle. Here we need to squeeze end of the adapters, so that allows us to take off the wiper blade. Okay, now we have the pinched up adapter. I will open it. This end of the adapter need to go underneath the arm, and that allows us to close the adapter. Now I will attach HEYNER Hybrid Wiper Blade. This metal bar goes in the center of the adapter, just here, and you need to squeeze it so it clicks. Now it's in place and it's ready to operate. Thank you for watching.